This is the final tutorial on how to use Glogster. By now you should know how to navigate to your own Glogster page. This is our tutorial Glogster page that we've been working on in previous videos. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page and find the glog that we've been working on. I'm going to click on Edit so that I can show you some additional tools on the magnet toolbar. We're going to work with sound. I'm going to click on Sound, and we have three options for putting sound on our glog page. We can upload it, link it, or grab it. I'm going to show you how to upload it. Now remember, uploading is getting files from your computer and putting them onto your web page. The same thing we did when we uploaded the image for our profile picture. I have some audio here of my dog Rocky. I recorded it earlier using Sound Recorder, which is a program on my computer. If you're interested in learning how to do that, just ask me and I can show you how to record your own sounds so that you can put them onto your glog page. So I'm going to click on it and open it, and soon you'll see a green box right down here that shows it's being uploaded onto the Glogster page. Now I uploaded it earlier, the same sound, so while we're waiting I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Now this sound is being used and it's being shown in this image right here. This image is what's going to go onto the glog page, and when we click on it we should hear the sound that I have uploaded. So we're going to click Use It, and let's go find it on our page. Uh-oh. Here we go. Sorry about that. Here it is. See Rocky. I'm going to put it on top of the dog. Remember we had put a message on earlier saying pat my belly and see what happens. Well, this is what's going to happen. We don't want the little image to be showing on top of the dog's belly, so you remember the edit tools on the top. If we scroll over here, we can put it behind. So we're going to put it behind the dog. It's still there, but it's hiding behind the dog. Now I want to show you really quickly by previewing it. If you preview it, you can see what I just did. I'm going to click on him, or pat his belly, and the audio that I recorded earlier of my dog is on the glog, and it will play every time I pat the belly of the dog. So I'm going to go back to Edit and do it one more time. Click on Sound, Upload, and I have some boombox audio that I recorded earlier. Click on that, Open. You'll see it in green in just a moment, but I already uploaded it earlier. So let's see here. There it is. We'll click on the one that's finished already. And this time we're going to change the image that we'll see for the audio. Click on Add a Player, and I'm going to use this one here, Play and Stop. So now my sound will be attached to this image. Click Use. Move this out of the way quickly. Go to my image. I'm going to use this with the boombox, so let's put it over here, make it a lot smaller. Rotate it just a little. There we go. We're done with that, and I'll show you again very quickly by clicking Preview to check my work and play. And there's the sound I recorded earlier. I'm going to stop. There we go. And we'll go back to Edit. So now let's go to the next tool in the magnet toolbox. Let's go to Video. Again, we have the option to upload video, link video, or grab video. We also have the option to use SchoolTube videos. These are videos that people have already put on SchoolTube that are available for you to use on your glog page. Since we have been creating a glog about dogs, I'm going to type in dogs, see what we find. Looks like there are several videos about dogs. Let's try this one right here. And if we want to preview it, listen to it, or watch it, we just click on it, and we can decide if it's good enough for our glog page. So far it looks pretty good. think we're going to go ahead and use it. So we can pause it. I want to add a player to it. I like this frame that will go around it. So I'll click on it and I'm going to click use it. So now we have the very large video on our Glog page. Let's make it smaller. And we'll put it, we might have to move some things around. Let's move this down. We'll move this one down. And I love angling my images. Just think it looks nice. And looks like we're going to have to move our player up. Our boombox. Let's put it right there. And our notes. Let's move our dog over just a little bit. There we go. Make it a little bit bigger. And once again, there. We'll click preview and you'll see it will play your video. Okay, let's pause that. We'll go back to edit one more time. So you now know how to get video onto your Glog. Let's take a look at image. Again, you'll see we have the option to upload, link, or grab. This time we're going to grab an image. If your computer has a camera on it, or if you have a webcam, you can use this tool. So I'm going to click on it, and it will say camera and microphone access. Glogster wants to access my camera. I'm going to allow it. Please ask a parent before you do this to make sure it's okay. And there's the camera that Glogster's using. I'm going to take a snapshot right here, but since our Glog is about dogs, I'm going to take a snapshot of my dog Rocky. He knows his name, doesn't he? Okay, so there's Rocky, and all I have to do is click on take a photo, take snapshot. There you go. And it takes a picture of him. Now I want to press continue. Let's type in his name. This is the second one. I'm going to click save. And it takes a few minutes. And I've also found that sometimes it doesn't show up in my images right away. So I think I figured out how to fix that. So I'm going to close this. And nope, it's not here. These are two pictures I took earlier. So I'm going to click on images again. And there it is. So I guess it just needs to update. So here's the photo that I just took. So I want to use that one. I'll click on it. And let's add a frame to it. Let's try a pet frame. I like the dog bones. And we're going to click use it. So now I have the image that we took. Again, very big. So let's make it smaller. And let's put it down here. There we go. Okay. The last thing I'm going to show you how to do is use the link tool. The link tool allows you to link a web page to your Glog. I'm going to link my Glog page that has all the tutorials on it to this Glog. So if you ever want to go back and look at the other tutorials, all you'll have to do is click on the image that we put the link on. I'm going to use a text box. Let's try the paw to go along with our dog theme. I'm going to click use it and quickly type in go to the Glogster tutorial glog. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. We have to click apply to save it. And then we're going to click on OK. And let's move it over here a little bit. Make it smaller. It's way too big. Now to add the link to it, we're going to go up to the toolbar, click on Edit, and it looks like two chain links together right here. It says Add Link. I'm going to click on it. And here it says paste the link here. Well, I have to go find the link, and I'm going to show you how I'll do that. So let me minimize this. This is my Glogster page, or my Glog page, that has all of the tutorials on them. Up here, in what's called the URL, is the link address that we need to use. So I'm going to right-click, highlight it, right-click, and copy it. Then I'm going to open up my Glog tutorial again, and right where it says paste link, I'm going to right-click again, and I'm going to click paste. There's the link. So I'll click apply, and then OK. And to show you that it worked, let's preview. Now, see how it circles it? That shows you that there's a link to it. Anytime you put your cursor on top of an image and it has that circle around it, that tells you that there's a link. If I click on it, it opens up the Glog page. Okay, so that's how you add a link. And then we're going to head back to Edit. Make sure you save or publish your work. Click Save. And that's it. We've created a Glog. I hope these tutorials have been helpful to you and that you can take all of the information that you have learned and use it to create some amazing Glogs of your own.